Bamboo Love. What would you love to learn about today? Breakfast! Oh my, you have done a lot of building already. Did you get up very early this morning? What a nice shape you're making. Is that a house? Wow! Look at what you've made. You've been really busy building blocks. Whoa! What's making everything shake? I wonder what it could be. Oh no! That noise is shaking all of your blocks. Where did that growly noise come from? Hey, that's your stomach growling. Because it's breakfast time. What would you like to eat? Wow, you must be very hungry. Bamboo Love! Do you think sweet cookies are a healthy breakfast? Oh, your tummy growling broke the cookies. I think you know, cookies are not a healthy breakfast. Now, what good food would you like to eat for breakfast? Toast? Fruits? Cereal? Or eggs? Hey, that's a good idea to add fruits and milk to your cereal. I think that tummy growling is going away. Is your tummy feeling better? Cereal with blueberries and milk sure is a good breakfast. So, now are you going to play? What are you doing? You're washing your dishes. Oh, wow. Very good job, Bamboo Love. Goodbye. Today, Bamboo Love learned about breakfast. She learned breakfast is an important start to the day, and there are many healthy choices for breakfast.